Filipino adventure.
Hi. So we went. Where did we go yesterday?
Yesterday we went to Ikea.
Ikea, and then you said you've been. Thought that you'd never been to Ikea before, but you had been to one in Singapore, or
Singapore.
okay. So we have a little video to show you of Yna going to Ikea, and here the whole time I thought it was her first time. So I'm like telling her how it works, and she's already been there. She didn't tell me until later. So I feel kind of dumb now, but anyway,
No,
I was like,
not.
this is what you do here, and this is what you do here, and this is what they yell here, and you're like, And later she says, oh yeah, I've been here before.
It's not.
Is that what? What's that for?
It's not. I've been there in Ikea in Singapore, and I'm not sure that if it's the Ikea in Singapore and the Ikea in here is the same. So yeah, it's the same.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, enjoy this video. Say bye.
Bye.
Go ahead.
Okay, welcome to my Filipino adventure, and today I'm here in Ikea in Michigan.
The only Ikea we have.
Yes.
So what are you going to go shopping for some stuff for the house?
Maybe a closet for me.
A closet. I think she means some shelves or some chest of drawers.
Okay. Yeah. Come on.
Okay. So let's get ourselves a cart. Okay, come up here. Yeah. There you go.
There you go.
So here they have a bunch of like setups, like little house setups.
Yeah.
And if you see something you like, you write the number down, and then when you go downstairs, you find it to buy. And then there's the restaurant setup. And you look around and say, oh, I like this. Here it is. And it tells you, usually it will tell you where you can find it at. Downstairs, because you can't just go buy this. You have to go downstairs.
Downstairs.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you can get like a paper and pencil at the beginning, and you can write the numbers down. Look, this is nice, huh? And this will tell you down there it's an aisle 2, bin 42 at the end, and you can find this.
Oh, you should remember this one.
Yeah, or write it down, right? A little bathroom, or a little kitchen, bathroom.
So cute.
So they got these little house setups. See? And here's another one. Here's like wardrobes. Like, the light goes on when you open it. Oh, they got, one of the touches I like they have here is they even have books, like big book setup, like book setup, and they're all in. What language is that?
I don't know, babe. That's
That's got to be Dutch or
Dutch.
Yeah, Danish. Because it's the IKEA is a Danish company, so all the books are. Yeah, you look good there. So we do need a new couch, but we'll live with the one we got for a while. It's not too bad, is it?
yeah, no.
Okay. But I do want a new couch. Look at this nice little living room setup. Is this cool store, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can get this whole room for $1,550.
$4.
You can get
Yeah.
all this stuff here, see?
Tarva drawer.
Now, babe,
Yes.
do these look familiar?
Which one?
These two. They're in my dining room. Except for they're black.
Oh yeah.
Same thing, right?
Yeah, same thing.
Except for this one's got a door here. But same thing. It's from IKEA.
Oh, that's from Ikea.
Yeah. Most of my whole bedroom set's from IKEA.
Yeah.
All of my whole bedroom set. So well, I remember going through here with the kids and going, look at this, it's so tiny. Isn't it cute? It's so tiny. Then I go to the Philippines and people live in places this big. Like this house here, this whole house is 590 square feet. And let's go inside and look at it. It's a whole house squeezed into this little area. It's a tiny house. See our little kitchen.
So if you do the oven
They sell the cabinet. They sell the kitchen
they say
cabinets.
that those are a lot more expensive than any maintenance that needs done. Your
Also cabinet
Just push them and it opens.
If I could
And then we go to close them.
one
we
thing
go-
about our kitchen, it's the fact of white cabinets. These are the ones that
I get picture.
Take a nap. Relax.
No, I just take a picture.
I'm taking a video. This is one of the things we need because Yna is so tiny to get up in the upper shelves. So this right here is $20 and you have to put it together. So let's look at that. What number is that right there? Okay, so when we're down there, we'll look at it. In case they might have some different ones too. Kitchens. So all the kitchen stuff, which we will be needing one day, just not today. A design center here where they can design them all. So here you can bring in your dimensions of your house here, and then they'll design it.
I didn't picture a video.
Huh?
Picture a video.
It's video right now. Eek. So our first trip to Ikea, we have to go to the cafeteria and try some of the famous Ikea food. So you think of the salmon balls or the Swedish meatballs?
I think salmon balls.
Of course, it's fish. It's got to have fish. And then you can get, here's your drinks. Pear or apple.
What's this?
Juice, like pear juice or apple juice. This is apple.
Apple. Same apple.
Yeah, but this is sparkly fizzy.
I don't know.
I know, it's just like. Salmon balls, and you got some mashed potatoes and some macaroni and cheese, huh?
Uh-huh.
And I got some veggie balls and some buckwheat or brown rice or something. some
Brown
vegetables,
rice.
and some cider and some water. So
Let's begin.
take a bite of your salmon balls and tell me what you think.
Salmon. Taste salmon.
Fishy. Okay, so we're gonna nibble. Okay,
Yes.
how was your fish balls?
Fishy but yummy.
I tell you what, those vegetable balls, sometimes at Ikea when you walk out, they have the frozen section where they have the food that they serve here. If they have those vegetable balls in the freezers, I'm getting them. Because those were really, really good. The vegetable. I mean, who needs meat when you had those? They tasted really good. You got one more fish ball. Do it, babe. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Go, 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 go. He's gonna get so chubby living here.
No.
So much good food to eat.
Next week I'm going to diet and go to this.
Okay.
Normal food, diet.
So now we're gonna get to go downstairs and pick out the stuff that we saw that we liked and look at all the dishes and stuff. So that's next. Join us. Okay, so those chairs we looked at earlier, I think we're gonna get one. Yeah, so it is. $99 for the black. That's the one we got, right? So it's $50 for the cushion and $50 for the chair. Okay, now we're gonna go find your dresser. Oh, look at they sell her native hats. If you lived in Thailand,
We have also here in Philippines.
you
this
have
one.
those?
Yes.
It's only $3.
If we go,
When you're out
if we
doing
use
the garden.
gardening.
What else they got here? And then a bag.
Same size.
And
It's
then you need a bag.
for big. Go market.
She's going to market on
Yeah,
Sundays.
this
yeah.
one.
So you had been to Ikea before, but you never walked around like we did.
No, I didn't have any chance to do that.
Okay, so it wasn't a big waste. I wasn't being dumb. You were there with and had to watch the kids,
True, yeah.
and they just went shopping and you stayed there.
We
Okay.
just stay in
So I guess I
one
was
place.
explaining stuff that you didn't know about, so it makes me feel a little bit better. Okay, so then after that we had to come home and build all that stuff, and we'll give you a separate video on that. But in the meantime,
Stay classy.
what?
Stay classy.
A little louder?
Stay classy.
Stay classy. We'll see you soon. Like, share, subscribe, and all that noise.
Mwah.